Hi, I'm Shane from SENTEI South Africa. Today I'm going to be showing you our SENTEI foldable pull saw. As you can see, very compact design, allows you to store this blade in a bag when you're traveling, or perhaps even nicely in your pocket where it's safe and sound and convenient to get to. And again, the SENTEI, very much a good saw to use when you're going camping, where you don't want something that's going to take up too much space or too much weight. As you can see, with the SENTEI, the straight 150mm blade folds out. It's got a very aggressive 4mm tooth pattern. That tooth pattern is great for cutting up firewood or for cutting at high speed. Also, what the SENTEI has to lock that blade into position is a steel locking bracket. As you can see, I've engaged that now. This blade is ready to cut. And as with most samurais, a beautiful rubberized handle, very ergonomic, very much designed to really use the pull action to its full effect. And obviously when you're cutting for long periods of time, very kind on your hands. So enough about that, let's cut something. Okay, so today, at Samurai, we don't like doing anything easy. And as you can see, what we've got here is a tree that is very much dead. And as I told you at the beginning, the SENTEI we've made for the camper, and a camper is not going to cut a wet tree for firewood. He's going to find the driest tree out there, and that's what we've done. So let's show you this baby in action. Okay, as you can see, I've found a nice thick piece here. And again, all our saws are designed to cut on the pull stroke. There you go. Again, you can clearly see, very hard, very dead. SENTEI, no problem. And again, this is the saw you want to take with when you go camping. Thank you. See you guys next time.